Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and it's pretty early actually for me. We are heading to New Smyrna Beach today to do kayaking and I'm really excited. I'm gonna go pick up Jess and then we're gonna head over to the beach, and I think what I'm gonna do is strap the GoPro to the front of the kayak. So I think this video will probably be one of those videos where it's a lot of video with music. Just giving you a heads up in case that's not your type of thing, but it's gonna be really beautiful. We're gonna be doing the inlets through New Smyrna Beach, so it's gonna be really fun. So let's go. Okay, so we made it to the beach. We're at Jamie's Fish Camp in New Smyrna. Jess is here. Hi. We're gonna go kayaking, so I'm gonna ditch this camera and get the GoPro, and let's go. Okay, so we got our kayaks. One thing I love about this place is that they have a cool bar over here, and then live music on the weekends. It's so much fun. So we're over here and there's a whole bunch of manatees. Oh my god! There's gotta be like 10 of them over here. Oh my god! Never in my life seen anything like this before. One's coming over to me! Oh my god. I don't know how well you can tell in the camera how close. I mean, he's so close to me right now. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh yeah, they're eating! See them eating from the trees over there? Oh my god. So I totally ruined the camera. It must have gotten wet when we were kayaking, but I mean, it's jacked. It won't even, this won't pop out anymore. I tried blow drying it thinking that it got wet. It's no good anymore. So I went and picked up a new one. So I went ahead and I picked up the Sony Cybershot DSC HX80. I don't know. I'm kind of excited to try it out because it does have the flip up screen. Yeah, new camera. Pretty excited. It was only 400 bucks with the warranty, so good deal, I think. I'll test it this weekend, and we'll see if it's any good. Alright, so I am on the new camera now, and we're gonna go off on a new adventure. So, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up for Manatees, and I'll see you very soon.